Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have an unboxing from Simply Earth. Apparently I didn't cut the sticker all the way. So this should be our November box, I believe. Yep. So you do get some stickers for all the products that you make, that way you can label them. Then you get a bunch of recipe cards to make with your essential oils. So the first is called Love and Spice, and it's a diffuser blend. I'll have to see what Love essential oil blend is made out of. And they do give you a sneak peek at next month's box. Wax pulpery discs is the next recipe. And it's continued on the back. It's also a love candle. Every month there is a charity that they give 13% of their proceeds for. So there's always a card that explains which charity it is on the back. Love bath melts. There's a note from Katie, who is the recipe formulator. An Energy Synergy roll-on that has pine and lime and nutmeg. I bet that smells good. Questions about the box. It tells you they have a blog and how to get a hold of them and their customer service team. And lastly, a winter woods candle. It does go over the essential oils that are included in the box, their uses, general safety, if they need to be diluted, if they're kid safe, cat and dog safe, pregnancy safe. Lots of good information on there. And then all the extras in the box. So let's take a look. So all the containers you already get with the big box, and that comes twice a year. So that's why they're not in here, but anything that you need additional is in this box. So first up we have pine, one of my all-time favorite smells. Also have nutmeg. This one is the Love Blend, and it says it has something I can't pronounce. Bergamot, sweet orange, and Lang Lang essential oils. I've never heard of that. A-M-Y-R-I-S, Amyris? Maybe is how you say it? I've never heard of that. So that's interesting. And then lime, which is a good one as well. For our extras, we have a wick for the candle, some dried flowers. Those are so pretty. Another wick, and a bag of soy wax. Very cool. So if you guys would like to sign up for a subscription, I will put all their detailed information in the description box below. There's also a promo code in case you want to get a gift card with your subscription, because who doesn't like free stuff? And if you want to see past boxes, I have a whole playlist on my channel, so make sure you check it out. Thanks so much for watching. Bye guys.